if I want to sell my products from India to USA, or let's say from India to UK, how much is going to be the product cost? Oh, sorry, the shipping cost, and how much, let's say, time it's going to take, and what's going to be the best logistic provider for that. The cool thing is that before COVID-19, before the lockdown was applied in the country, I was shipping. I mean, we were shipping our own T-shirts. We were shipping our own T-shirts from Delhi to US, and even Australia, UK, and all those countries, but mainly US. We were working with DHL e-commerce. Okay, DHL e-commerce was, and I hope is, the cheapest fulfillment provider for e-commerce right now. They have different. They have three different main shipping methods. We were using the cheapest one. Back then, to ship a T-shirt, it costed close to $5 back then. Now, the rates are almost double due to COVID-19. So if you want to ship from, and shipping from whatever products you ship, the shipping price depends on the weight of your product. Like if your product is up to, let's say, I'm going to give you an example. So back then, if your product is up to 200 grams, it's going to take you close to $5, including GST, $5 for up to product, which is 200 grams. If your product is, let's say, 500 grams, it's going to take you close to $8 or $9. All right. So it depends on the weight of your or the product you're selling. So if you really want to ship from India to abroad, of course you can, but I recommend that your margin should be good enough. Like you can ship jewelry items if you want. Like jewelry items have, the weight is very less, but you can sell them for an expensive price. If you know what I mean. So what I simply mean is that the shipping cost for those items should not be a lot if you want to ship from India. Or if you can charge extra from your customers, nothing better than that. At the time of recording this video, there is a new brand that I'm working on. Something that I'm working on with my own father. So my father has been in the shirt space for a very long time. I never got into the business involved in any way, but now I see. So I see this possibility of creating a brand for men for, let's see, luxury clothing. The t-shirt that I'm wearing right now, I love wearing t-shirts like these. And I love wearing some really cool shirts as well. I love those polos and really, really simple clothing, really comfortable clothing. So I had this thought a couple of days back that why not start a luxury brand like that? Okay. So I'm currently working on that, and why am I sharing this? We're going to be shipping from India abroad. We're gonna start running ads abroad itself. I'm gonna go public with the brand once it's live and once we've built something. So yeah. So just to share, it's pretty much possible. But yeah, when it comes to, let's say, selling, let's say, a luxury product that you're selling, let's say you're selling shoes, maybe you can sell shoes for $50, right? And your production cost is 10, and your shipping cost is 10 more. You're still left with a decent $30 margin, which is fucking good. So you can still do that. But let's say on a t-shirt, the average selling price is 20. Your production cost is let's say $3 through production printing, and your shipping cost is 10 right now. So you're going to be left with $7. That's nothing. That just kills your margins minus the taxes you pay. It makes no sense. So if you want to ship from India, always remember, do it with products that can get you a very good margin. Let me know if that makes sense.